Hey everyone, today I wanted to run through the length function with you. The length function is a fairly common operation. It usually comes pre-built into a lot of common programming languages, and I thought it's still quite a good idea to visualize what's actually happening under the hood when the function is being called. I'll be running through two different types of implementations for this function. The function can usually be called with different data structures, but for simplicity, we're going to use an array with values in it. The intuition behind it is fairly simple. When the function is called, two variables get created, a pointer reference and a count variable. The pointer would be pointing at the beginning of the array, and the count would be incremented to 1. The pointer will continue moving step by step through the array. Each time it moves to a new value, the count increases by 1. This process continues until the pointer hits the end of the array or when the pointer hits an empty value. When that happens, the count variable is returned. This implementation runs in linear time as we need to look through all the values in the array, and it uses constant space. The second implementation is a lot more efficient than the first, because the length function is built into the data structure itself. The array itself will store a count variable. Each time a new element gets added into the array, the count would increase, and each time an element gets removed from the array, the count will decrease. This implementation is very efficient because the count gets updated every time an element gets removed or added into the array. So it gives us a constant time complexity and uses constant space. Overall, we've seen two different types of implementation for the length function. The first implementation runs in linear time because every time the function is called, we need to look through the array to count the number of values. The second implementation is able to run in constant time because the array stores a count and gets updated every time the array changes. I hope you enjoyed your time and see you on the next one.